Hello? Hello, Elsa? Can you hear me, Elsa? Alex?
Yes.
Yes, how are you? Are you good? Are you good, Alex? Yeah?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Elsa. How are you?
I'm good.
You good? That's great to hear. Look at my background. It's really nice. That's the Northern Lights. Okay. So let's start our class. Hold on. Let me share my screen, okay? So tonight we are going to discuss about world, weather, and work. So we're on unit 23. Okay, hold on. I'm going to share. Unit 23. Okay. Can you see it? Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
That's good. That's good. Okay, so can you read the unit 23? Can you read unit 23, dear? Alex, can you read
Yes.
unit 23?
Work with what weather work.
Yes. World, weather, and work. Okay, how about you, Elsa? Can you read?
Work, weather, work.
Yes. World. Can you say world?
Work,
World. Okay, very good.
work,
Weather.
weather,
Weather. Okay, that's good.
weather,
Work. Work.
work,
Okay,
work.
very good. Okay, that's great. You're doing great, my dear. Okay, now let's move on to this one. Okay, can you see this? Vocabulary. I want you to read the vocabulary. Can you read the vocabulary, please? Can you read the vocabulary? Hello? Hello? Vocabulary. Alex, can you read?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Cave, desert, pop star, cave, uh, des desert.
Okay, that's good. How about you, Elsa? Can you read? Elsa?
Pop star, cave, desert.
Okay. All right. Pop star. Can you say pop star?
Pop star,
Okay, very good. Cave. Cave.
cave,
Cave. Okay. Desert. Desert.
desert,
Desert.
desert.
Okay, very good. That's good. Okay. Zuka is here. Zuka, hello. Zuka.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
That's great to hear. Okay. So tonight we are going to discuss about unit 23. Can you read unit 23? Can you read unit 23?
Yes. Sarah, you want toy? Hả? Không phải mẹ em gì nói nữa.
Can you read?
Đọc về lại cô đi.
Can you read? Hello? Oh, Novita, you're here. Okay, that's good. Okay. So, Zuka, world. Can you say world? World, weather, weather, world, weather, work. Hello, can you hear me, Zuka? Zuka, can you hear me? Can you read? Zuka,
Unit
go on.
22
23.
World
Unit
Weather
23.
23
Mm-mm.
World wo- Weather Work
Weather,
Work
work. Okay, very good. Okay, Novita, this is our topic today. Okay, tonight, okay? Unit 23. Okay? Now, I want you to read the vocabulary. Zuka, can you read the vocabulary, please? Read the vocabulary, Zuka.
All-Star
Pop star. Okay? And
All-Star Car Dancers
cave. Cave.
Case
Okay, very good. Cave. Okay? And how do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce it?
Desert
Desert. Okay, very good. That's desert. All right, that's good. Okay, how about you, Nuvita? Nuvita.
um Pop Star
Mm-hmm.
Cave
Mm-hmm.
Desert
Mm-hmm. Very good. That's good. You're doing great, my dear. Okay, let's move on to the next vocabulary. Can you read the vocabulary, Alex? Where is Alex? Alex, want you to read.
Storm
Storm and
Storm
mm-hmm. Go on.
Storm Wave
Wave,
Land
land. Okay. Wave, wave.
Wave
Okay, very
Wave
good. Storm, storm.
Storm Storm
Land, land.
Na Land
Elsa, okay,
An
thank you so much, Alex.
Yes.
Elsa, can you read the vocabulary, please?
Storm Wave Land
Okay, that's good. Storm, can you say storm?
Storm
Storm.
Storm
Very good. Storm. Okay. How about you, Zuka? I want you to read.
Storm Storm
Storm and
Wo-
mm-hmm.
Worm
Wave. Wave.
Wave
Wave.
Land
Land. Okay, very good. You're doing great. Okay, how about you, Nubita? Can you read?
um, Storm
Mm-hmm.
Wave Land
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good. Wow, you're doing great. Good job. Okay, good job, my dear. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay, this one. Can you read, Alex? Alex, I want you to read.
Screen Website Hall
Very good. Okay, Elsa, I want you to read Elsa.
Screen. Website. Home.
Very good. That's good. Screen, website, whole. How about you, Zuka? Zuka, can you read Zuka?
Circle.
Screen,
Screen.
mhm.
Glasses.
Website,
Website.
and what's this?
Air. Home.
Whole, whole.
Home.
Okay, yeah, that's
Home.
good. Yes, whole. All right, that's good. Okay, let's move on to um, who else? Navita.
Mm,
Navita.
Screen. Website. Home.
Yes, very good. Okay, do you understand all the vocabulary?
Yes.
Do you? Yes, that's nice. Very good. You understand all the vocabularies. Okay, so let's move on to, since you understand all the vocabulary here, let's move on to this one. We have here grammar a and in da. Okay, so a is, can you read this one, Navita, here?
Mm, A and the.
Is used in
A is used in front of singular
singular.
countable nouns, a person, animal, or thing, which are not specified. We don't use before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant or consonant sound, B, C, D, F, G, H, Z, K, X. A comes before the noun. Examples: cat, a bird, two, a doctor,
Mhm.
and is you on front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use before uncountable or plural nouns if the noun starts with a vowel sound a, e, I, O, U,
Okay, that's good. That's
and
good,
comes.
Navita. Navita, that's good. Okay. So, an is used in front of singular countable nouns, like a person, animal, right, or thing. So, uncountable, right? We don't use before uncountable or plural noun. So, if a noun start with consonant, consonant is B, C, D, F, G, H, I, K, etc. So, okay? So, we're going to use an if it is what? If it is a vowel sound, okay? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Example here for a, example, a cat, right? A bird, a child, a doctor, right? Okay. Can you read the example, Zuka, on this one, letter an? No, no, no. This one. Can you read this one?
An apple. Example. An apple.
An apple.
Apple.
Mhm.
An apple. An egg.
Egg. Very good.
An
And
egg.
ant. Ant.
Ant.
Okay, very good.
An orange.
An orange. An
Orange.
orange. One
Or,
more time. An orange.
an orange.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's good, my dear. Okay, how about you, Elsa? Elsa, can you read this one here? This one.
We use the in front of our nose. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable. To this describe someone or something spell spellful, spellful or un, unusual.
Okay, example, the earth, right? The earth. Can you say
Earth,
earth?
the earth, the world, the
World.
sky,
World. Can you say
world,
world? Okay, very good.
world,
The
the world, the sky,
sky.
the air,
The air.
the weather.
The weather. Very good. Okay. That's great. Okay. Now I want you to read also the example, Alex. Can you read the example here? Alex, can you read the example?
The earth, the world, the sky, the air, the weather.
Very good, Alex. Okay, how about you, Novita? Can you read the example here?
Um, the earth, the world, the sky, the air, and the weather.
Very good. Okay, so those are an example. Do you understand this? Do you understand this, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, all right, that's good. Okay, since you understand that one, I want you to wait, hold on. Let me I will let you give an exercise. Okay, hold on. Wait, hold on. I'm going to share to you, okay? Okay, just a second. I'm going to give you an example, okay? Mhm. Just a second, dear. Oh, wait, hold on. I can't open. Just a second. Okay, I'm going to give you a worksheet. All right. Okay, this one. Can you see this? Okay. So, can you see this? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, we will have an exercise. Now, you're going to answer a, and, or da. You're going to complete the sentence with the correct article. Okay, number one, Novita, can you answer? What's the answer there?
The program has an in error.
Error. Error.
Error.
What's the
Error.
answer? A, an, or da?
And
This one?
and yes.
Okay. Encircle your answer, okay? I want you to encircle your answer. Okay, number two. Yes, that's right. That's correct, Navita. You're doing great.
Ooh.
Good job. Okay, let's erase that one. Okay, Alex, I want you to answer number two.
It is not an experimental vaccine.
What's the answer? What's the answer?
An,
What? What's the answer?
an,
And?
yes, an.
And is the answer. Alex, is your answer Anne?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Let's find out the correct answer, okay? So it is not an experimental vaccine. Very good, Alex. You're doing great. The answer is and this one, right? Can you encircle your answer? Encircle. When you answer, you're going to encircle, okay? So let's move on to number three. Elsa, can you answer number three?
The handler egg every day.
Mhm. What's the answer?
Uh,
Encircle your answer. Number three, your answer is a. Number three, what's your answer, Elsa? Okay, so the hen laid an egg. The answer is an egg. This one. That's the answer. Because this is vowel, right, Elsa? Okay, that's good. Number four, can you answer number four? Zuka.
Zuccotti.
Zuka.
so first, bed, first the bed outside.
Mm.
Seafood,
What's the answer? She found blank pen outside. She found. What's the answer? Zuka.
hmm,
She found a pen. The answer is A, okay? The answer is A. Okay, number 5. Can you answer number 5, Novita? Novita.
What is the
Có đọc bài à?
alpha letter?
Novita, can you answer? Can you read? Read an answer.
What is the alpha letter?
What is the offer letter? Very good. You're doing great. Okay, let's move on to number 6. Alex, can you answer number 6? Alex.
Bobcat a taxi for us.
What's the answer? What's the answer?
I have Bobcat a taxi for us.
Okay, that's great. So I have booked a taxi for us. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, let's move on to number 7. Number 7, can you answer number 7, Elsa? Elsa, can you answer number 7?
Ava is
Ava is
A hot girl. A hot girl.
honest. Can you say honest? Honest.
Uh,
Honest. Honest.
Honest.
Okay, very good. Honest. Okay, let's move on to number 8. Zuka, number 8. Zuka, I want you to answer number 8. Number 8, Zuka.
Alpha
Zuka, number
Alpha
8.
is Alpha is
Hold on. Okay, just a second. Okay, Zuka, can you answer?
Đúng hết rồi.
Zuka, a deep hand. What a hand in? What's the answer? Can you help Novita? Can you help Zuka? Mhm. Novita, can you answer number 8?
I dipped my hand in the water.
In the water. Okay, very good. You're doing great, right? Okay, so I dipped my hand in the water. Very good. Okay, let's move on to number 9. Number 9, can you answer, Novita, number 9?
Mm, We were moved by the kindness that he showed.
Okay, the answer is da. Okay, can you say kindness?
Kindness.
Kindness. One more time. Say kindness.
Kindness.
Okay, I am going to write on the chat box on how here on the board on how you're going to pronounce the correct in a correct way. Okay, kindness. All right, Navita.
Kindness.
Yes, very good. Okay, let's move on to number 10. Can you answer number 10, Alex?
Oh,
Number 10.
Rajesh is the internet guy.
Is the interesting. Can you say interesting?
And those things.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Very good. Good job. Interesting. Okay. And teacher, we're going to write it on the board. Okay. And how you're going to pronounce it correctly. So this is how you pronounce it. Interesting. Okay. All right. That's good. Now let's move on to the next part. So we're finished with this one. Okay. Let's move on here. We already had an exercise and you are doing great. Good job. Okay, let's move on here. Okay, so we are going to review. Just a second. So we are going to review past simple tense. Okay, now can you read this part, Novita? I want you to read this one. And yeah, to be, and also the example. Can you read?
To be. S plus was were plus example. Mary was too lazy to go exercise yesterday.
Yesterday, yes.
Mary is subject. Was is verb to be.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, S plus was not were not plus example. There weren't many people in the stadium.
Stadium. Stadium.
Stadium
Okay, very good.
stadium was word plus S plus yes, S plus was were no S plus was not were not. Example was she said that after losing the game. No, she was not. WH word plus was word of S plus. Why were the players so careless? Because they thought they could win.
Okay, very good. So we have here example, right? So for yes or no question, that was where, was plus verb plus, okay, question, okay. Now yes, verb, subject plus was where, okay. And no plus subject plus wasn't weren't. Okay? Like for example, was she sad after losing the game? No, she wasn't. Right? So that is an example, Novita. Okay, next, Elsa, I want you to read the verbs. Can you read the verbs?
Verbs. S A E T irregular V. The players arrived very early on it.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So example, can you read the example? Yeah. S plus verb, ed, irregular verb. Example, Elsa, example.
Example, Peter,
Mm.
did the friends cheer when more ago? Yes, they did.
Okay. Okay. The player arrived very early. Can you read the example, Alex? Example, the player. Alex,
Yes.
you hear me, Alex?
Yes.
That's good. Okay.
Um. mm,
Can you read? Where is Alex? Okay. All right. Okay, Novita, I want you to read the verbs. Novita, can you read?
Verb. S plus V E D irregular verb. Example, the players arrived very early to join the game. S plus did not plus verb based from. Example, Peter did not play chess last Monday. Did plus S plus verb based form. Yes. S plus did. No. S plus did not. Example, did the fans cheer when he scored a goal? Yes, they did. WH word plus that plus S plus V verb based from. Example, what did you do yesterday afternoon? I played baseball with my friends.
Okay, that's good. Very good. Okay. All right. Very good, Novita. All right. Now I am going to give you an exercise, okay, about this. Hold on. Oh my God, I cannot. Okay. So I'm going to give you an exercise about this, okay? Hold on just a second. You're going to answer it, okay? Let's answer. Wait, just a second. Oh, I cannot open. Why is this? Ay, wait, hold on. Oh, I cannot open. Why is this? Just a second, dear. Okay, this one. All right, so we're going to answer this one, okay? Okay, I cannot. All right. Okay. Okay, can you see this?
No.
No, you cannot see. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me just find another one, okay? Since you cannot see that one, okay. Wait, hold on. Cannot see that one. Okay, hold on. Mm-hmm. Okay, this one. I want you to answer this one. Hold on. Oh, I cannot open again. What happened? Okay, let me just share this one. Okay, let me share. Okay, this one. Can you see this? Can you see it? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now I want you to answer this one. Novita, can you answer number one? You're going to complete the sentences with the negative form of verb to be in the past. Okay? Number one, can you answer number one, Novita?
Jim wasn't at school yesterday.
Number one, Jim
Wasn't.
wasn't. Okay.
Yes.
Jim wasn't at school yesterday. Do you think that's correct?
Yes.
Jim wasn't. How
Yes.
about you, Alex? Do you think that's correct? Hello, everyone. Alex. Okay. So Jim wasn't at school yesterday. Okay, where is he? Okay, that's good. Wasn't. Very good, Nabita. You're doing great. Okay, how about you, Elsa? Can you answer number two? My
Teacher
parents.
Margot.
Who's that? Okay, that's all right. Elsa? Can you answer number 2, please?
My parents
My parents. What's the answer?
were at home.
My parents weren't. My parents
My
weren't.
parents weren't at home all day.
Weren't at home all day. Oh, okay. All right. What do you think, Novita? Is this correct? The answer is weren't. Yes?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
very good. That's good. That's good, Elsa. You're doing great. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay? Number 3, I want you to answer number 3. Alex. You? Mm-hmm. You? What's the answer? Hello? Alex, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me, Alex? What's the answer? Number 3.
Jimmy,
No, number 3.
and you,
Number 3.
you,
No.
you, you weren't at the party last night.
Okay. What's the answer?
You weren't
Weren't.
the,
Okay, at the party last night. Number 4.
yeah.
Can you answer number 4, Zuka? Zuka? I want you to answer. Zuka? Zuka, are you there?
Linh,
Zuka, can you hear me?
con Linh,
Zuka?
con Linh,
Zuka?
con Linh, con Linh ơi, con Linh, cô kêu tiền.
Zuka?
Yes.
Okay, can you answer number 4, please? Can you answer number 4?
I was last for long. I was last for school yesterday.
Okay. So number 4,
I were
I
last
weren't late
for
school
school
yesterday. Number 4.
yesterday.
Okay. So your answer is I weren't late. for school yesterday, right? I weren't late for
I
school
was less for school yesterday.
yesterday. All right. So, do you think that's correct? Okay, let's check. Okay. So, the correct answer, my dear, is wasn't. I wasn't late for school yesterday. Okay, I wasn't late for school yesterday. Okay, but you're doing good, Zuka. Good job on trying. Okay, now number five, can you answer Novita? I want you to answer number five, Novita. Can you answer number five, please? Number five, I want you to
How
answer
was
number five.
Nathan in his bedroom all day?
Paul wasn't in his bedroom all day. Very good. Number six, Elsa, I want you to answer number six, Elsa.
They was very good singer.
Okay. Okay. All right. So number six, what's the answer number six? Elsa,
Yes,
what's the answer number six?
was.
Okay. So number six, they wasn't very good singers. Okay. Now number seven, Alex, can you answer number seven?
Tania was not in my class last year.
Tanya
Tania was
wasn't
in my class last year.
wasn't in my class last year. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Number eight, Novita, I want you to answer number eight.
I wasn't in Buenos Aires last summer.
Mm. Very good, Novita. Number nine, can you answer Zuka? Can you answer? Zuka? Hello. Zuka. Can you answer Zuka? Number nine.
Ooh.
Zuka, can you hear me? Number nine.
Um,
We
we
Hmm?
We was
We
at
was
school last Saturday.
we was at school last Saturday. Last Saturday. Okay? We wasn't. Your answer is we wasn't. Okay? No, wait, hold on. Alright, so the correct answer is, what would be the correct answer? So we weren't. We weren't at school last Saturday. The answer is weren't. Okay? This one. Weren't. We are not. Right? We are not. So we are not at school last Saturday. Number 10. Can you answer number 10, Novita? Novita, I want you to answer number 10. Number 10.
Vậy đó không, mà còn kiểu cho mẹ là có đi nữa chi có thể lên chứ là thì có đi công nhân thì loài mắt đen mắt lông lên thì mắt lẻ mắt chúng ta cần lấy cái mắt mắt lông lên mắt khóc
Novita,
mắt
number
mắt
10, can you
là
answer?
giống 10 con đi là 6 con mắt lẻ, 2 con mắt đẹp, có một con mắt đặc biệt gì nữa á, xong là bắt đầu để trong cái báo xong bắt đầu đi con mà đi tìm ra thì họ được thử bằng máy của mình họ mặt mặt beo mặt lẻ đấy đó giọng bọc từ máy đúng không bà coi đấy bà coi nhé chỉ nói là anh cho yếu là điểm nguyên vong hoặc là bắt máy mình cũng coi ba coi bắt lẻ của chị em vì là mới có khoảng 7 cái mặt đẹp thứ nhất
Ai em đi bắt con mắt này.
mắt
Hello,
có mặt lạnh mặt sống có những mắt đẹp
Novita. Novita, are you there?
Yes.
Novita, can you answer number 10, 11, and 12? 10, 11, and 12. Can you answer?
Tina wasn't at home yesterday. Robert and Sam gone close friends. I wasn't in the museum on Tuesday afternoon.
Yes, very good. You're doing great. Navita, come on, let's have a high five. High five. Good job. Wow. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our proper lesson. Okay. Hold on. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. All right. So that is the past simple tense. Now, do you have any question? Do you have any question, everyone, before we end our class? Do you have any question before we end our class? No? You don't have any question, everyone? Okay, since you don't have any question, let me ask you what you've learned. What you've learned tonight. Novita, what you've learned tonight. Novita? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Alright, Novita, everyone. We don't have enough time, right? So thank you so much for having you in my class. Okay? I'll see you next time. You're doing good. Just keep up the good work. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.
Have a good night.
Bye, teacher.
Good night,
Bye.
teacher.